Hi friends, I am Nirmita Chauhan. I am a founder of Intellect Mind Institute and certified New Code NLP practitioner which is internationally recognized. When people heard about NLP at very first time, they are curious to know about NLP and what is NLP. NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming. There are three most influential words involved in producing human excellence: neuro, linguistic, and programming. Neuro means mind and neurological processes on body level. Linguistic means language of our mind, and programming means the behavioral pattern that can be reprogrammed. In short, programming of our mind by the use of its language. Neuro-linguistic programming describes the fundamental dynamics between mind and its language and how their interplay affects our body and behavior. The researchers and NLP creators found that there is a connection between mind and neurological processes on body level, means neuro, its language, and behavioral patterns called as a programming. And the good news is these programming can be changed to achieve excellence in any area of life. So we can reprogram our mind by the use of its language. Now, what is the language of our mind? Linguistic determines how we interface and communicate with other people. We communicate to our mind and others through verbal language and non-verbal language also. The words and phrases that we are used included in verbal language, and our posture, gesture, our breathing pattern, our physiology are included in non-verbal language. NLP gives you an opportunity to change those unwanted programs which are running in your mind constantly without your intention. You can change all those programs such as past painful memory, past trauma, negative thought pattern, or some unwanted issues which are cause of stress, anxiety, or depression. You can remove all those emotional baggage because it is a scientific approach to heal yourself and transform your life quickly. Often in a single session, NLP can treat problems such as phobia, depression, allergy, psychosomatic illness, and learning disorders. NLP is a multiple application approach in a variety of fields such as study, education, business, sports, health and wellness, coaching, parenting, enrich relationship, communication, trauma recovery, and any area of life. You can learn and apply methodology of NLP and set of techniques to transform your life quickly and easily without doing hard work. There is a one famous presupposition in NLP. If you do what you have always done, you will get what you have always got. That means you are going to get same results that you always got. Something similar has been said by the great scientist Albert Einstein. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. This is what Mr. Einstein meant to say was doing same thing over and over again and expecting different results is madness. So friends, if you don't like the results you get and want to change them, then you have to work on your programs of your mind. You have to change those programming that already occupied unnecessary space in your mind and hold you back in life to live life at your fullest. Neuro-linguistic programming was developed jointly by two geniuses, John Grinder and Richard Bandler, in 1970. John Grinder, who is a professor from the University of California, Santa Cruz, and Richard Bandler, who is the last year student of the university in information science. NLP is a study of excellence, and they both are seeking for excellence in the field of therapy and change works. The way they learn and develop NLP was very interesting. If you want to know more about NLP, you can visit my website www.nirmitachauhan.com. Thank you.